The Duane essential oil strengthens scalp cells, increases hair pigmentation, and prevents premature graying, promoting long-lasting natural hair color and restoring hair health with its nutritional, antioxidant, and mineral content.
Apple seed oil can help prevent and remove gray hairs in black hair, as it contains polyphenols that improve hair health and maximize the natural, shiny black color. This natural solution is a more suitable option for men and not just the elderly. Cold-pressed avocado oil, rich in chlorophyll, can delay gray hair appearance by stimulating melanin production in hair follicles, preserving natural hair color. Apples are rich in vitamin C, B12, zinc, and copper, which nourish scalp strands, maintain natural hair color, and slow hair aging, resulting in soft, smooth curls. Stress, pollution, anxiety, and restlessness can cause gray hair growth at any age. To combat this, apply apple pulp to the scalp and hair. Black pepper extract, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, can help prevent premature graying of hair due to UV rays, pollution, chemicals, heating tools, and coloring, promoting skin health. Amla hair oil reduces oxidative stress, preventing premature graying and accelerating hair follicle aging. Its darkening properties conceal grayness by mimicking hair pigment. Premature graying of hair can occur at any age due to oxidative damage. Controlling this can be achieved by restoring hair pigmentation, but identifying the cause is crucial. Carrot oil supports melanin formation. Camphor oil, a natural remedy, helps hair follicles retain pigment and prevents premature graying caused by stress and pollution. It maintains hair cleanliness, protects it from free radicals, and can be added to hair care products to prevent premature aging and pollution-induced discoloration. Manganese, an antioxidant, can slow hair growth, while chickpeas are rich in folate, which renews hair growth-promoting cells, and a deficiency in manganese can result in slowed growth.